Hi, Tom here. Welcome to Alley Picked. It's gardening season, and I need to make myself a plant stand. So I found a bunch of junk in my garage, and we're gonna make something cool out of junk. I start by cutting the top off of this ladder, leaving 3 steps for 3 shelves. Using a piece from this other ladder, I'll cut the 2 support legs. Since it's attached by a rivet, I'm using this metal cutting wheel on my Dremel tool. Then, pry it off. Remove all the old nails. Lining it up so that the steps are level, I'll cut the angles for the 2 support legs. I'll attach the legs using 3 screws. For strength and stability, I'll need to attach a piece of wood between the 2 support legs. I measure for the 3 support shelves and cut them down to size. A little test to see how they fit before I screw them in place. From the bottom, I'll drill 4 holes to secure the shelves. This way the screws are hidden, and it also protects better from the rainwater. After I screwed in the shelves, I noticed they weren't quite level, so I'm going to cut down the legs a bit. A little sanding to remove the sharp edges and to clean it up. So building the basic plant stand took all of about 30 minutes, all from scrap lumber that I picked up in the alley. Now what we're going to do is give it a nice coat of stain and sealer. So you want to use a pretty good quality, and I find that the one made by Behr is really good. So we're going to give it a coat, maybe 2 coats, and let it dry, and then we'll put it in the garden. All done. It took all of an hour to build and paint. I think it looks pretty good. So you too can make cool stuff from junk. What do you think? You give it a thumbs up? Say, subscribe to Alley Picked.
Subscribe to Alley Picked.
You heard it from him. Thanks. See you next time.